thank you for watching my video. I just finished doing my skincare and I feel a little awake, especially with my ginger lime tea. This thing will wake you up. And then we're also gonna do some makeup therapy together because I'm gonna head out, and of course I'm gonna bring you guys with me on this relaxing Sunday. So let's get started. My skin lately has been feeling so dry and like sandpaper, so I'm gonna do very simple makeup without any powder because I can't put any powder while my skin is feeling super dry. That's why I'm using this NARS Pot Concealer, and I use the Maybelline Lumi Matte Foundation. It's the Super Stay one because I feel like these two are the only products that actually stay on my skin without any powder. And look how natural my skin looks. It doesn't even look like I put anything. Usually for Sundays, I like to keep it really relaxing. So during the daytime, I'll go to like a bookstore, meet up with friends, or just like go to a cafe. And then in the evening, I'll come home and make myself tea, cook or bake, and have a really cozy shower routine. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna show you guys. I'm also going to this bookstore because I just finished another book in the Powerless series by Lauren Roberts. And so far, I've been really loving it. I can't get them to show it to you, but it's this series. And you guys actually recommended it to me on Instagram. It's basically this fantasy slash romance story, and I've never actually read a fantasy and romance type of story, but I've been hooked on this, so that's why I'm going to pick up the third book in the series, which I think it's called Fearless. For this, I was actually reading a lot of thrillers, and not gonna lie, they started to give me nightmares, so I had to switch the category of books from thrillers to fantasy, and so far I've been loving it. So let me know if you guys have read it too, because I will start a little book club literally. I think this is my favorite lipstick from MAC. It's so pretty on our skin tone. Look at this. It's called Warm Teddy. I've been doing this little hack where I use the Huda Beauty lip stains as a lip liner because it literally stays on the whole day. And I'm just gonna finish it off with a little gloss.
Good job.